Hello beautiful! Today I'll show you how to do Nicki Minaj's makeup from her latest video Fly. I also decided to add this leopard print to my cheek as an extra cause it kind of spices up the look. Now make sure to leave your ideas on my future looks in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe if you still haven't. And now let's begin. The first thing you want to use is a primer or a glitter glue cause it is glitter that we're going to work with today. Once this is done, you can move on to your glitter. I personally think it absolutely does not matter what brand you use because my experience tells me that glitter can vary only by color and by size of those small glitter pieces. This time I decided to take some chunky glitter because I personally find it easier to work with. So, apply your glitter on top of the glitter glue using a flat tip brush. Now using an angled brush, apply glitter glue to your lower lash line and repeat the procedure. I'm sure you had an enormous fallout while applying the glitter. The easiest way to eliminate it is to use something sticky like a common tape. Once you eliminate the fallout, we can finish off our eye makeup. Now all you need to do is apply some eyeliner and then some false eyelashes. Start out with a waterline and apply some eyeliner there. This will make your look more speaking. Then apply some product to your upper lash line as a base to your false eyelashes later on. And obviously on top, place the strip of dramatic falsies. Before we go on to our leopard print design, let's add some bronzer to our cheeks. Okay, it is time for our cream colors. In case you don't have those, you can also use very pigmented eyeshadows or eyeliners. The first step to the leopard print design is to apply small and large golden spots as a base to the leopard print. Obviously, you can choose any pattern you want, and as to me, then I'm doing it quite randomly. Once this is done, grab a small flat brush and a black cream color and transform your golden spots into the actual leopard print. I personally think that small strokes are the key to success here. Finally, apply some bubblegum pink lipstick to your lips and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know whether you want to see me create other animal prints in my makeups. Also, don't forget to check out my other tutorials and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. I also have Twitter, Blogger, and Facebook, so make sure to follow me there too. Thanks and bye.